Yeah, welcome to today's trade edition signal. So without wasting time, we'll review what we our trade yesterday and try to move forward from what we have today. So yesterday we did pick this level that we're going to come down from the list, and we did have nice reaction from the level and give us one to almost 1 to 4 in the market. Hmm. But his 1 to 3 was so pure. And I was actually expecting some kind of reversal into this level here before we continue to move forward. But market leads we follow, and that's just something. Just it does whatever it places. Is the Lord. So now, well, but we did have that trade going into what is it called? ETTP, even though our 1 to expectation of 1 to 5 from this level was not met. Because I was actually hoping that. But when the something comes out yesterday, when we did have this nice trade, I mean, nice downward movement, I was hoping because the momentum was so high, so I was hoping that. In fact, I feared for this. What is it called? For this my entry here, that it might just go through it and just go down like that. So I fell for it, but at the same time the thing just reversed midway, and I guess it reversed off this level and after taking the liquidity below this level. But since I experienced break of this level here, so I was hoping that at least we're just going to continue to move down like that. So until I was reversed on me and did take out my stop loss. So I didn't take the something. I was hoping that we're going to continue from this leg here, and as you can see, it's give us a very, very nice movement downward. But nonetheless, it does wherever it places. So just going to move from that place. So we are still within this trend. And from daily, we're just going to review what we have here. So we have this high and this low, which happens here. We pack this level as our strong high, and here to be our weak low that we're anticipating of and don't need to be talking about, but we have this inner highs and low within this level, and we are not either timing any because of what we have within this leg. So we can probably say, okay, this is where we are targeting next, or this is the place we are targeting next. Because from within the level that we are in, we automatically know that anything can happen, either the highs or the low can be taken. And if we take the high and it's close below both, then we know that we've created a shift and we will continue to move forward from there. But nonetheless, since we have this leg moving, coming down, then we automatically know from within the leg we are moving upward. So if we are moving upward, then we're going to be looking for buy. And I guess looking for buy is what we should have been doing yesterday instead of us trying to sell from this level. So I guess that's the takeaway lesson we can take from that place. So since our bias is buying from 4 hour, then we could have easily be moving just looking for buy from within the market. But now we have another level being established on what is it called. So we're just going to move forward from that level. Let's try to take out some stuff. This one has been taken out. We have no reference for this one again. And what else again? Yeah, for this level, that to be removed. I don't want to remove this level. So now having this level on 4 hour. So I'm still holding on for this buy anyway, because it's aligned perfectly. There is other block and there is it's a proportion block on lower time frame. We have this level as well that I'm looking forward to. So now, but we have another range. I want to point our attention to, which is this low. I just time it. We can pick it either to be a strong high or strong low yet. And this high here. So, but because we have a closure, because of this leg that we have, this particular something, it takes out the liquidity above this candle before coming down. And this particular something is at risk, and I don't think we can be sending price up from within that level. But anything can happen. So these are established high and low in the market. And as you can see, this leg also takes the liquidity below this low. Then it went ahead to take out that range. The same thing might be happening from this level again. Since this high was taken out before coming down, then we can go ahead and take out this low too. So these are established range. It is from within this level that we're going to either try to sell or buy. But personally, what I can see from within this level is this particular internal structure. Yeah, but I'm not going to be thinking much of it anyway. I don't think. Let's go on one. Try to see. And as you can see, this particular leg here. But there is a reason why I select this inner something because of what I on lower time frame. But there is a reason why I picked that level. I wasn't expecting any reaction from, but if we pick it from 1 hour, we see that it has been properly picked. But I'm waiting for London. So until we have London, I mean New York open, then I'll be trusting this level. But regardless of wherever it's doing. So from within this established range, this range, I'm no longer dealing with the range because it's already market has already moved beyond that. And also this one, I don't think I have any reference point from within the level. So we are dealing within this range now, and we are either looking for buy or sell from within this range. But because of what we have here, I'm potentially looking for sell, at least for now, until we have what is it called. So I have a buy from this level, potential level that we can react from is this level here. And I'm looking forward to having price coming into this level before going down. Very strong. So that's the reason why I just keep me on it. So we have this level here aligned perfectly, this internal structure aligned perfectly with the 50% of the Asian range that we have. But I don't expect price to get to that extent before coming down. So this is the closest that we have here. But because we are closing this level close below this low, then automatically, and that's the reason why I'm anticipating that we're going to get to that level before coming down. And this internal structure that we have here is reacting appropriately with the something. But nonetheless, I'm not trusting it that much anyway. So I'll be waiting perfectly for this one. If peradventure price is able to come down to that level. But since we are in an uptrend of 4 hour, what I'm going to be doing is to continue to hold on to for this price, this buy, still holding for this buy. I'm going to be anticipating price coming down, taking low, this low, or anything can happen from within the something. But what will determine my own something is New York open. I'm giving all these levels where we can be anticipating prices reacting to because I might not be on the system when the New York open. So we'll be anticipating some kind of levels from within this level. So here is my probable potential place of PO high one, another two, then another buy from that level, and another buy. So here are the two levels to sell from, and the two levels want to be anticipating buy from. So even though this level of 1 hour is reacting and giving us some kind of movement into wherever something, but at the same time, I'm still waiting for this level anyway. So, but anything can happen. That's just the facts. Anything can happen from within the market. So, I guess that will be all, at least for today. We have this level that we can be anticipating price getting into and selling from there, or this potential level. Can either buy from this level or buy from this level too. So that would be my analysis, at least for today. That would be my expectation. for today. Anything can happen. Once New York opens, we try and see what market is going to do. But potentially without trading from all these levels, depending on whatever price does. So thank you very much. That will be all. I wish you a profitable day.